If you have been waiting for that perfect ocean view Mauna Kea property, then you have come to the right place. Welcome to Kohala Coast Living. I'm Tanya Kangas, and today I'm so excited to share with you Kumulani B-4 in the Mauna Kea Resort. We are here right now, and can't wait to show you the ocean views. We are in the second story. We are in the front row of Kumulani, so you get incredible ocean views, incredible sunsets, and you have views over the fourth fairway of the Hapuna Golf Course. So if you've been waiting for this property, let's go take a look. Within the Mauna Kea Resort, let me introduce you to Kumulani. This neighborhood is formerly known as Kumulani at the Uplands at Mauna Kea, and it sits on nearly 12 acres across 10 buildings with 40 units total. Kumulani is tucked up in the resort's upland section with the elevation to prove it, and that elevation means sweeping ocean views, unforgettable sunsets, and golf views from many of the units in the community. A short drive back through the neighborhood will bring us to the B building. There's plenty of guest parking, no circling for a spot, and each unit also has its own garage. Welcome to the B building. This is a fourplex, and B4 is the top left unit. Past the garage, up the stairs, and you'll find yourself at B4's front door. Welcome to sweeping ocean views. This wraparound lanai is nearly 375 square feet, a room of its own. You've got the fourth fairway of the Hapuna Golf Course right in front of you, ocean stretching to the horizon, and on a clear day, you can see Mauna Loa and Maui. And when the sun goes down, this is the seat everyone fights for. Let's head inside. We will come back to these incredible views later, but first I want to show you the interior. This is Kumulani B-4, listed at $1.85 million. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and has 1,375 square feet of interior living space. As we head into the kitchen, I'm going to take you to the end where there's this coffee bar and a breakfast nook tucked in the back of the kitchen. The kitchen countertops are granite, marble flooring, and then you have a Sub-Zero fridge, a Wolf range, and then a Bosch Silence Plus dishwasher. Kumulani B-4 has had builder upgrades from the beginning. This beautiful built-in is very unique to this unit. Also, hardwood floors throughout and marble tile in the entrance, bathrooms, and kitchen. And now, the best room in the house isn't even inside. 375 square feet of covered wraparound lanai. Seating areas are everywhere out here. You can dine, lounge, put your feet up, all of it overlooking the fourth fairway of the Hapuna Golf Course with front row ocean and sunset views. And a little local secret, on the 4th of July, the fireworks show happens right in front of this lanai down on the beach. No crowds, no parking, best seat on the Kohala coast. Morning coffee, golfers playing through, sunset every night. This lanai is why people fall in love with Kumulani. Let's head back inside to check out the bedrooms. This is the primary suite. ocean views, golf course views, and lanai access. The ensuite bathroom has dual sinks with Rojo marble countertops, a soaking tub, glass shower, and a large walk-in closet. Marble underfoot in here too. And here's the second bedroom. It is set up right now with 2 twins, which convert easily to a king bed. So whether it's grandkids or a couple or rental guests, this room flexes to fit whoever's coming. A full guest bathroom is right here too, so your visitors have their own space and so do you. Now, here's something important about this unit. It is being offered fully furnished, and I mean almost everything you see in this video comes with it. It is truly turnkey. You could close and come stay, just bring your toothbrush, or keep it as a vacation rental, because B-4 has an active short-term rental license with bookings already on the calendar through 2026. Either way, it's ready for you on day one. One of the biggest perks of owning at Kumulani is that you'll be eligible to be a member at the club at Mauna Kea, which means you have access to 2 of the best beaches and resorts in Hawaii, the Mauna Kea Beach Hotel and the Westin Hapuna Beach Resort, which means 2 championship courses, including the Mauna Kea Golf Course and the Hapuna Golf Course, which is literally your front yard at B-4. Plus, you'll have access to the resort's tennis, pickleball, and the pools and fitness centers, beach services at the resorts, and world-class dining. Thank you so much for joining me today on this episode of Kohala Coast Living. If you have any more questions about this unit or this neighborhood, or if you'd like to see it in person, please reach out. I'll put my information down below, and be sure to sign up for my newsletter so that you can be alerted of any new properties that hit the market. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.